Thank you for joining me, Mr. 904 Director, again on another one of my fantasticular videos. And today I'm going to be sharing a really cool, free way to go live and stream live through over 30 platforms with just a smartphone and a GoPro. And for that, I have just my GoPro here, and I also have my smartphone. So with that said, let's get to it.
I'm Mike Heath, also known here and on social media as Mr. 904 Direct. I'm a 34-year-old video professional that is happily married and loves traveling. For years, I've been on Jacksonville Jaguars game days as part of the video crew, have run an award-winning wedding videography company, and I'm also an award-winning film director, producer, and actor living in Jacksonville, Florida. Now, I've decided to use these skills to share my experiences learning new skills and working on many different projects. This is my channel, and it's gonna have a little bit of everything. So make sure you subscribe and keep tuning in for this adventure.
So the first thing that you need to do is you're going to need to download the Live 4 GoPro app. I'll leave a description and link to that down in the description of this video. Basically, this is going to be the conduit, more or less, to stream live through your GoPro. Now, you're also going to need to go and register online through a browser, through an account with Restream.io. Now, Restream.io is the platform in which you will stream live through, but the Live 4 GoPro app allows you to use your GoPro through their streaming service. Now, all of this can be done for free, unless you want to do like Facebook Live or multiple, YouTube channels at the same time, if you're doing it like cross-platforming and stuff like that. But you can do over 30 platforms for free. Facebook Live is just not one of them. YouTube is, Twitch is, a lot of other options. But for the purpose of this, I'm just simply showing you how to get started. So you can either log in to the Live 4 GoPro app with your Restream account once you've created that, or you can log in through your Facebook. Now, you can, if you do that, you can Facebook Live through the Live 4 GoPro app to Facebook directly, but then you wouldn't be able to stream to any of your other platforms. So keep that in mind. You can do one or the other, or you could pay for Restream's Facebook Live streaming service, which is, I believe, about $19 per month. Now, I'll leave a link to Restream.io in the description below as well. Basically, once you get started, you're just going to go in and you're going to continue or go ahead and log in to the Live 4 GoPro app through your Restream account. Once you do that, then you're going to be able to go and basically you'll have it pop right up. You can click to, toggle any channels that you want to stream to if you already have them signed in on your Restream.io account, which I'll do a separate video on how to do that later on. The simple thing is just set up your account with Restream.io, download the Live 4 GoPro app, connect the two, turn on your GoPro's wireless connections, log into or connect your wireless, your Wi-Fi on your smartphone to the GoPro's Wi-Fi signal. And then once you've done that, you're ready to just sign in and go live. And then you can just hit your record and go live button right then. And now the main thing you want to consider in this as well is that there will be a little bit of latency issues depending on how your signal is in certain areas, which I actually had to do a separate video because my signal is a little weak, but I'm going to share that video with you now so you can just see what that looked like. I am live, and this is a test for using your GoPro to live stream to over 30 platforms for free. And I'm doing a quick tutorial on that, and just wanted to do a test as part of my video. So this is test. And with that said, So I'll share a link to that so you can see how going live looked. The signal was a little weak at first, but it straightened itself out and it ironed itself out, and the final video actually ended up looking fine. There was no lag once you watched it on playback or anything. So depending on your signal, you may want to consider, that maybe trying to see if you have a, better signal area. Out here, it's a little rough. That's pretty much the gist of going live, streaming live with your GoPro and just a smartphone, absolutely free.
Absolutely free.
Free. Absolutely free.
I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope you get some fun out of it. But stay tuned, and this has been Mr. 904 Director, sayonara. Oh yeah, and by the way, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get all of my new videos as they drop.